When it comes to maximizing storage space during road trips, camping adventures, or relocations, the ARKSEN Universal Roof Rack Cargo Basket promises a solution. With its large storage capacity, rigid construction, and easy installation, it aims to be a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. In this review, we delve into the features that make this cargo basket stand out and explore some considerations based on user experience. Large storage capacity. The ARKSEN Roof Rack Cargo Basket boasts an impressive storage capacity, providing an effective way to free up space inside your vehicle. With overall dimensions of 64-inch L x 39W x 6H, it can accommodate up to 150 pounds of cargo, making it suitable for transporting camping supplies, firewood, luggage, and various other items. Rigid construction. Constructed with heavy-duty steel and coated with black powder, the ARKSEN cargo basket is designed to withstand the rigors of weather elements and resist corrosion. The robust build ensures several years of long-lasting use, making it a durable investment for those who frequently embark on outdoor adventures. Extra security features. One standout feature of the ARKSEN cargo basket is its attention to security. The bottom metal bars and side rails provide extra support to keep your items secured during travel. Additionally, the inclusion of a steel wind fairing not only protects the cargo from wind damage but also contributes to reducing wind resistance, enhancing the overall aerodynamics of the setup. Easy installation. One of the notable advantages of the ARKSEN cargo basket is its ease of installation. Compatible with most vehicles, it can be easily mounted using 4 universal U-bolts, utilizing the car's existing crossbars. This user-friendly installation process ensures that users can quickly set up the cargo basket without the need for professional assistance. Versatile cargo basket. The versatility of the ARKSEN Roof Rack Cargo Basket shines through in its ability to transport a wide range of items. Whether you're carrying camping supplies, firewood, luggage, or hunting and fishing gear, this cargo basket proves to be a versatile solution for different scenarios, including camping trips, road adventures, and relocations. Things to consider. While the ARKSEN Roof Rack Cargo Basket offers functionality, some users have reported concerns that need attention. First and foremost, delays in product delivery have been reported, impacting users' plans, especially when the purchase was intended for an upcoming trip. Potential buyers should consider ordering well in advance to avoid any inconveniences related to late arrivals. Final verdict. In conclusion, the ARKSEN Universal Roof Rack Cargo Basket presents a compelling solution for those seeking additional storage space during outdoor adventures. Its large capacity, sturdy construction, and ease of installation make it a practical choice for various applications. However, potential buyers should be aware of reported issues, such as late deliveries and the need for additional weatherproofing measures. With proper attention to these considerations, the ARKSEN cargo basket can be a valuable addition to your outdoor gear, providing a reliable means of transporting your belongings while on the road.